TPTUBER here. So in this video I am going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S21. This is S20 in 5G with 256GB storage and 8GB RAM and phantom grey color. Let's unbox it. So here is the mobile. Let's keep it aside. There is a box inside, and inside there is a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable and instruction manual. Behind the box there is a SIM card tool. So let's unpeel the plastic. Let's start the mobile. Okay, let's talk about the design. It is nice, simple design with matte finish on the back, and the side aluminium bar just mends with the camera bump. It is very clean and minimalist look. The back is made up of plastic, but don't worry, it is used to make the mobile lighter, and it is less likely to shatter when it falls on the ground. Okay, on the right hand side there is volume rocker, power button. On below there is speaker grill, USB Type-C for charging, microphone and SIM card slot. On left hand side there is nothing, and on the top there is two microphones, and it is IP68 dust and water resistant. About the display, it is 6.2 inch 2400 into 1080p screen with 120Hz refresh rate, and pixel density is 421 pixels per inch, which is very good. It is HDR10 plus enabled. You can set the refresh rate between 120 and 60Hz, and the maximum brightness is 1300 nits, which is very bright to see in outdoors. After unboxing, I noticed there was a screen protector which was already placed by Samsung. Great work, Samsung. And the glass of the screen is made of Gorilla Glass Victus. So this mobile has the Exynos 2100 chip inside it, and it has 8GB RAM and 4000 mAh battery. The performance is really good, what it gives for this price. Let's talk about the cameras. So there is triple camera setup with 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel wide angle, and 64 megapixel telephoto, and a 10 megapixel selfie camera. And in the camera app there is literally many options, and there is AR Doodle Pro mode, panorama mode, food mode, night mode, portrait mode, portrait video, pro mode, super slow mode, slow motion, hyperlapse and director's view. Literally there are many options. The maximum resolution which can be taken is 8K at 24 frames per second. Okay, now let's see how the speaker sounds in this mobile. This was with the Dolby Atmos enabled. Now let's see without the Dolby Atmos enabled. there is not a big difference, but Dolby Atmos enhances the sound quality, and as you can see it is very loud and it is stereo speakers, so the musics come from this below speaker grill and the earpiece speaker. So this is the microphone quality of S21. And the fingerprint sensor is 1.7 times larger than the last generation, or you can say 1.7 times larger than the S20 or S10 model. It's really fast. Just a tap is enough to open this mobile. Really very fast fingerprint reader. Here are some things which I have to say. This mobile doesn't have a headphone jack and expandable storage. These two is very important. Samsung should bring this back in next generation S22. Rest of the mobile is very good. I recommend buying this if you're looking for some handy lightweight mobile with the decent cameras. So this was my review of Samsung S21. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you enjoyed it then please like, share and subscribe, as almost 80% of my viewers are not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.